Hello, little learners. Welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory.
Yay!
Yay! ABC time!
Let's learn together.
A, B, C, let's start. A is for artist. B is for baker. C is for chef. D is for doctor. E is for engineer. F is for firefighter.
Are you having fun?
Yes.
Clap your hands with us.
G is for gardener. H is for hairdresser. I is for ice cream seller. J is for judge. K is for karate teacher. L is for librarian.
Do you like learning ABC with us?
Yay!
Subscribe please. Press the bell for more fun learning. M is for mechanic. N is for nurse. O is for optometrist. P is for pilot. Q is for queen, pretend. R is for racer. S is for scientist. T is for teacher. U is for Uber driver. V is for veterinarian. W is for waiter. X is for X-ray technician. Y is for yoga teacher. Z is for zookeeper.
Great job today.
I love ABCs.
Don't forget to
Like, share and subscribe.
bye-bye.
See you soon.